In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Sheets on your computer and enable offline work. This can be incredibly useful when you need to access your spreadsheets but don't have an active internet connection. Let's dive into the process, which will only take a few minutes to complete. First, let's start by opening Google Sheets in your web browser. Once you're there, look for the hamburger icon, which is those three horizontal lines usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a menu. From this menu, you'll need to select Settings. This section will allow you to configure some key preferences for your Google Sheets application. After you've entered the settings page, focus your attention on finding the offline option. You'll see a switch there. The option might look like a toggle button. Flip this switch to turn the offline setting on. This setting is crucial because it enables you to access and edit your spreadsheets even when you don't have an internet connection. Once you've toggled the switch, make sure to click OK to save your changes. This confirmation ensures that the settings are applied and you're now ready to use Google Sheets offline. Now that we have Google Sheets configured, we need a way to access it effectively when you're offline. It's time to create a more convenient access point by installing Google Sheets as a desktop application. In the same web browser you're using, look towards the upper right-hand corner for the three-dot icon. This usually indicates a drop-down menu where you can find more options. Click on these three dots to open another menu. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Cast, Save and Share. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll have the choice to install the page as an app. This step is vital because it converts the web page into a desktop application, making it conveniently accessible as an icon on your desktop. Select the option to install the page as an app. Once the installation is completed, you'll notice a new shortcut has appeared on your desktop. This icon represents your Google Sheets app, and clicking on it will launch the application directly from your computer without needing to open a web browser first. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Google Sheets on your computer and set it up for offline usage. This setup will make it much easier and faster for you to manage and edit your spreadsheets at any time, regardless of your internet connection status. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and happy spreadsheeting.